Good day, I'm Hannes Snyman from Tala Healthcare, and my two pharmacies in Pretoria is Castle Walk Pharmacy and Castle Ridge Pharmacy. But you can also go and shop on Takealot or go and visit my castlewalkpharmacy.com, where you can buy all these products. Search for the mega range of products. And I want to tell you today about the Mega Brain Health. Mega Brain Health contains a vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 in a 500 milligram, which is a much larger dose that you would get in a multivitamin. And go and see, a lot of multivitamins don't even contain vitamin B3. The other name for vitamin B3 is niacin. And this one specifically is called nicotinamide, which is different chemical forms of the vitamin B3. The moment you take vitamin B3, it makes you flush because it opens up all the very small capillary veins in your skin. So the moment you drink it, especially niacin, you will find that suddenly you have a very, very nice red blush on your cheeks, and people feel warm, and you feel how your blood is surging through your skin. But most people don't like that sudden feel, and then some people like it, they love it. So if you take niacin, you'll get that flushing. So nicotinamide, we call a non-flush vitamin B3. The nicotinamide won't make you have that severe opening up of the capillary veins in your skin that will make you blush red, but it will open up the blood veins in so many other places in the body, especially in the brain, in your feet, in your hands, in your nose. So for people that suffer from winter hands, especially now going towards winter, people need a supplement to open up the capillary veins, the very, very small capillary veins. You need Mega Brain Health because it will really help your body to improve blood circulation all over your body from head to toe. So the vitamin B3 are very, very important and a crucial supplement to get your blood circulation going. People use it as a supplement. It has wonderful anti-aging properties. You can think if you can keep your circulation system going, you will easily become a centenarian, and a healthy centenarian. The oldest people in the world now become easily 120, 115. Go and see, if you go and search on YouTube or on the internet and you search under the blue zones, you will have wonderful documentaries there to go and see what is one of the secrets that makes people get so old. And one of the secrets is proper and good blood circulation. So the moment you use Mega Brain Health, I'm not even talking about the deterioration of the brain with dementia and Alzheimer's. That's a growing condition. So vitamin B3 is there to counteract that. So use vitamin B3, the Mega Brain Health, as a supplement, and will improve your blood circulation. And another wonderful added value of Mega Brain Health, nicotinamide also brings down your cholesterol levels. So go and read under vitamin B3 or nicotinamide, and you'll be surprised to find it has a lot of other benefits. So use vitamin B3 in a 500 milligram. If you see what the people do in the States, I suffered with a heart attack 4 days before Christmas, and I'm through that, and I survived it. And searching on the internet under blood circulation and cardiovascular health, I stumbled upon a medical doctor in the States, Dr. Ford Brewer from BrevMed. And if you're going to go and search on his YouTube channel, you will find amazingly wonderful information there, which he shares. He also had a deterioration in his blood veins to cause his cardiovascular system to show so much arteriosclerosis, and he managed to turn it around. So he took 3 supplements, or 2 medications plus nicotinamide as a supplement. So the 2 medications is rosuvastatin, which is a statin, plus an ACE inhibitor, which is a blood pressure remedy, and then with high doses, 2,000 milligrams of vitamin B3. Nicotinamide have the ability to change and reverse atherosclerosis, and all the plaque formation in your capillary veins. So I'm very excited to share that with you guys. So buy the supplement, get it on Take-A-Lot, buy on castlewalkpharmacy.com, or please come and visit my 2 pharmacies, and I'm more than willing to help you and take a blood pressure and talk to you, and let's have a look what the state of the condition of your blood veins is. And by taking Mega Brain Health, you will also hopefully become a centenarian.